All right, a dead hang is a great way to build up the strength to be able to do a pull-up. We do this a lot here, not only as a warm-up, but a great way to stretch out our shoulders, work on our grip strength, our core. So a dead hang, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna use the bench as my step. I'm gonna hang on with my thumbs wrapped around. From here, I'm gonna let go with my feet. I'm gonna hang, not worrying about contracting my lats, right? I'm just hanging, but my core is still staying engaged. You will hold this max 30 seconds, feeling a good stretch in your shoulders. You might even get a little distraction in your lower back. You're holding 30 seconds, repeat about 3 times. Again, a great way to build up strength to be able to do pull-ups, chin-ups if that's a goal of yours.